how to change keyboard size on Android phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the keyboard smaller or bigger on your Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is simply do something that makes the keyboard come up. So you can start typing text or something like that to where you can see the keyboard. Once the keyboard's open, select the 4 dots in the top left there to open up the menu. And here you just want to look for and select Resize. Now, see how it's the square icon and it says Resize under it? So it might be down here in the menu. It might also be in this top menu here where you just see the little square. So go ahead and select it. And then once you have Resize selected, all you need to do, you can resize it by simply dragging it up and down so I can make it very big. I can also move this up and then move it up if I want to have it a little higher, or then I can just move it around and pick the placement of it by using the little arrows right there. Once you're done, select done and that will save it. And as you can see, my keyboard has been saved at the size that I changed it to. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.